This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda Schmidt. Discover 1848 Avian Court, a charming villa that is located on a peaceful cul-de-sac in desirable North Naples. This charming two-bedroom home with a versatile den offers a bright, open floor plan that seamlessly blends comfort and functionality, perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. The well-appointed kitchen flows into inviting living and dining areas, creating a warm atmosphere for gatherings. Step outside to your screened lanai, where you can unwind and take in the stunning lake views, surrounded by lush landscaping that enhances your outdoor experience. Heritage Greens boast an array of amenities, including a clubhouse, tennis courts, and 2 available community pools for you to use. With low fees that include cable, internet, and irrigation, convenience is at your fingertips. Located near top-rated schools, shopping, dining, and Naples' stunning beaches, this property offers easy access to everything you love about the area. While golf is not mandatory, you can take advantage of the putting green, restaurant, and bar without any fees, simply pay as you play. This home is being offered turnkey, bedroom furniture. Living room furniture and futon in the den are new. Don't miss your opportunity to own this delightful lakefront home. Schedule a showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Schmidt at 239-293-8150.